Hello friends, now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1 page number 34 and the topic is adding ed to verbs. Here it's written when we add ed to some verbs we double the last letter. Here there are two words are given, syrup and tug. In this place it's written double the last letter, means see here rob. After that we have double the last letter. In this place we have also doubled the last letter, and next time here it's written add on ed, rob or tug. Now we have added ed and ed. So this is the just simple rule to do today's topic. Let's start to do some exercise, then the topic will be clearer for us. A number exercise: add ed to each of these verbs. Remember to double the last letter. So easy. Let's start here. Pin, we will do what? We will add another n, means we are doubling the last letter, and after that we will add ed. Same thing we will follow in the following words: clap, p, ed, stop, p, ed, sleep, p, ed, tap, p, ed. Means here we have double the last letter, and after that we have added ed. Same thing we will do here: hug, hugged, wug, wugged, chop, chopped, hum, hummed, sip. We will do here sipped. Now it's the turn to do B number exercise. See what is written here. Use the words you have made to fill the gaps in these sentences. In this place, what we have to do? In this place, we will fill the blanks from these words. So let's start. First one, the little boy dash on the ice. What we have to put here? So easy. The little boy slipped on the ice. Let's write here. Now to number, the dog dash his tail. This is also so easy. The dog wagged his tail. We will write here. Three number, James dash the hot tea slowly. What we will do? What we will put here? We will put this word sipped. Write it here, sipped, S-I-P-P-E-D, sipped. Phone number, the bus dash outside the school. It is also so easy. What we will put? The bus stopped outside the school. Here write the stopped, S-T-O-P-P-E-D, stopped. 5 number, Jane dash her new teddy bear. What we will bring from the above place or from the above words? We will bring hugged. Jane hugged her new teddy bear. Hugged her new teddy bear. 6 number, Alan dash on the door before. Alan, what he did? Alan tapped on the door before. Tapped on the door before going in. 7 number. See here it's written Carol dash a badge onto her jacket. We will bring from this place. Which word we will bring from this place? Pinned, 1 number word. So write it here. Carol pinned. 8 number, the scouts dash the wood for the fire. What we will put in this place? There are only some words are left. We will bring here, or we will put here. We'll put here this one, chopped right here. The scout chopped P-E-D, chopped the wood for the fire. 9 number, the children dashed their hands for joy. See, in this place, here we will select the words that is clapped. This one we will put here. The children clapped their hands for joy. 10 number, a swarm of bees dash around our heads. A swarm of bees, what they are doing, only one word is left, harmed is left. So we'll put this word in this place, that is harmed. Friends, we have finished another topic today from Junior English book. The topic's name is adding ed to verbs, and this is from page number 34. Next day we will do page number 35, and the topic is jumbled sentences. Bye for today.